Hi guys, well I finally got it. I've been looking around to try to find some of those garage lights, the ones with the three different ears, the LED lights that replace the light bulbs. So the light bulbs just don't get it in the garage anymore. And so I did get them, and guess where I got them? It's a two-pack. I ordered them from Amazon and they came today. So I'm going to go ahead and open a box and take a look at them. They're supposed to be pretty good. Here we go. Let's move the camera around. We'll get a shot at the workbench. Let's take a look, see what we have to do here. Now, one of the things that we did, if you don't want it to come just in a regular box like this, because this is the way they were going to send it to you, just in a box like this. So what you do when you order it, you tell them it's going to be a gift. So what they'll do is they'll double box it, they'll put it in an Amazon box, and it usually doesn't come broken. I've had problems in the past with things coming broken because they just send it in a regular box. So we got an extra Amazon box because we said it was going to be a gift. They even put a card inside to say, this is a gift from so-and-so. It's from my wife at this point in time. And this is from LZ Home. LZ Home. It's a two-pack of the LED lights. So let's go ahead and take a look. Comes with instructions. I like picture instructions. I don't like too many words. So it's just right up my alley. How to put it in, turn it clockwise with your hand. Doesn't tell you how to take the old bulb out, but we all know you just turn it to the left, lefty-loosey. So let's see if we can get these out of here. Oh, there you go. Was packaged really nice. Nothing looks broken. These are the sockets. If you don't already have a socket in the garage and you want to run a wire, it has two screws in the back. So if you want to run a wire and screw this with the screw holes to the rafter and then screw it in, you can. So if your current lights are in the wrong spot, you can move them without undoing all the electric. You can just mount these anywhere. Now these things come apart. That's what it looks like. These fold down. And this is supposed to just screw right into where the light bulb comes out. So we're going to go take the 100-watt light bulb out and screw these in. I got two of them in the garage. We got two in the pack. I think it was $38 for both. That included shipping and everything. Now we did have a coupon. So, $20 a light is cheapest I could find. These are supposed to be pretty good quality. The LED garage light. So let's go out to the garage. We're going to put these in right now. Let's go. Okay, here we are. This is one of the light bulbs that keeps burning out on me. The instructions don't tell you how to do it, but we all know it's lefty-loosey. So I'm going to take that bulb out. I do have the light switch off. So I'm going to take this out of the box, fold the flaps down so we can get it in there. And you see it just has the regular thread. So we're going to put the regular thread in there. Sounds easy enough, doesn't it? Let me go hit the light switch. I'll be right back. Wow, that is really bright. Good deal. I hope it lasts. It's like 6,500 looms. It's like 600-watt bulbs. I hope it lasts a lot longer. Pretty easy. I got another one to do on the other side of the room. Much better light in here. Okay, that worked out really nice for me. I got a nice bright section there in the back of the garage. Really lights it up really nice. If you have any comments or any suggestions, drop it in there and everybody gets to read it. I'd like to answer the comments. I'd like to hear from you guys. Give me a thumbs up if you don't want to subscribe. Let me know how we're doing. Appreciate it. And if you can, please subscribe. Always could use the support. Thanks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be safe out there.